probably gonna get struck by lightning because it's gonna storm. All right, spool tension. I got that set. I drop my lure. It's standing here. Lure hits the ground. Spool stops. You don't get no backlash. Got my brake. Brake set halfway. Let me adjust my camera here. We're going to cast this out. Always when you buy your bait caster, you're right-handed, you want to get the spool on this side. You know, your handle. You want to get it on this side. So, cast reel. There you go. That just hits the ground out there. I got that baby dial. Alright, I didn't want to drag my new crankbait through the yard. There you have it. No bird nest. Like I said, I got my tensioner. Just drop your lure, let it go down slowly, hit the ground, no spinning, brake halfway. Alright y'all, it's the Black Max 24 ton, next generation bait caster. Walmart, $68. I like it a lot. I think you will too. Catch you on the next one.